Hello everyone, I'm Lawrence and welcome back to Hollyland's channel. Today, I'm here to introduce you to our latest live streaming camera, the VenusLiv V2. This camera is perfect for beginners as its user-friendly interface and stability make it an excellent companion for your live broadcasts. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the box of the VenusLiv V2. The VenusLiv V2 is equipped with the two 1/4-inch threaded ports, allowing you to directly mount it on a tripod. This feature provides convenience and flexibility for you to choose between the horizontal or vertical installation method according to your needs. Once the camera is connected to the network, you can click on the RTMP Live icon and add the streaming address and complete the setup to begin live streaming. Additionally, VenusLiv V2 comes with built-in support for popular live streaming platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. By simply connecting to the network and logging into your account, you can effortlessly start live streaming without the need for any additional software. By using the included USB 3.0 cable to connect VenusLiv to the USB 3.0 port on your computer, you can achieve UVC audio and video transmission to your computer. After inserting an SD card or USB flash drive, VenusLiv V2 supports photo capturing and video recording functions. Simply navigate to the camera interface and click on the Live button to start capturing photos or recording videos. This feature provides a convenient way to capture moments or create content directly from the camera. In the camera toolbox, you can adjust the camera's exposure and color settings to achieve better live streaming results. When using a green screen, it is important to ensure that the surface of the green screen is smooth and that the lighting is evenly distributed across the green screen. This helps to achieve better green screen effect. When you want to add an atmosphere to your live streaming room, you can choose to use overlays. Import your favorite graphic elements or use the overlays provided by VenusLiv V2 to make your live streaming room more lively and engaging. VenusLiv V2 inherits the color correction magic feature from its predecessor, allowing you to easily adjust the color depth and the saturation. With the color picker tool, you can click on any color area you want to modify and make adjustments accordingly. This allows you to fine-tune the colors based on your preferences and specific needs. In addition, VenusLiv V2 also comes with various built-in scene modes. By selecting different scene modes, you can bring different effects to your live stream. These scene modes are designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of your live stream and create a more immersive experience for your viewers. The USB 2.0 port located on the side of the camera body allows for convenient compatibility with Hollyland's Lark M2 and other microphones. This enables you to easily record audio while live streaming. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. Leave us a comment if you have any questions. We will see you in the next one.